Shut up. Shut up. Hey, what's that? Shut up. Come on.
My favorite. Italy soup. Apple.
Ola, where is your sister? You're supposed to be together.
I don't know. And please don't ask me.
Ola, are you not the one your mother is talking to? Eh?
Papa, she is not my mother.
Who said that?
Why are you talking to my daughter in that manner?
No, I only asked where her sister is because they left together.
You only asked where her sister is because they left together. So my daughter has become your daughter's keeper. Eh? Is that why both of you are interrogating my daughter here? You stood up here to ask us stupid questions. Enough of that rubbish. You people should not try this again in this house. I don't know what has become of both of you. Nonsense. Enough of that rubbish. Enough. No, I do go. Who is that? What is that?
Ola beat up her sister.
Hi, Ola.
Look at her whole body.
Ola is my headache. What is that? Is that why she abandoned her? On the way, beat her up? No.
What is the problem? Eh? What is it?
Mother, I want to ask you a question.
Question? Go ahead. I hope all is well.
Why do they hate us so much? Why?
I've always known that this question will come up one day, especially from you. Adogo and I were best of friends.
Love.
Please accept my proposal. I will do anything for you. Please.
What you are asking for is impossible. I can't be your second wife. I would be hurting my friend.
Forget about your friend. If I had seen you earlier, I wouldn't have gone for Adugu. You are the one my heart beats for. Please, I need you in my life. Please, Ola.
I'm sorry, I can't.
During our youthful days, best of friends.
Yes. She swore to make my stay in this house miserable.
Hey!
My sister, why are you still like this? Yeah? I know it's about you.
God, are you there? You. Hi. Oh. Hi. Fast. Hi. Oh. Hi. Hello, man.
Please take heart. We will not question the gods.
My prince, take heart. Hey! My prince, you heard what happened? The Iroko has fallen. Child!
My prince, take heart and console your mother.
My prince, we shall take our leave now and begin the arrangement for his burial. And every other thing that will be needed will be sent across to you. Take heart.
Thank you very much, my chiefs. I appreciate this kind gesture. Thank you very much.
Thank you, my prince.
I'm so grateful inside. Thank you very much.
Thank you, my prince. Thank you. We shall take our leave now. My fellow, please let's go.
Take heart. Please.
Azuka! What are you doing?
What kind of stupid question is that?
Are you talking to me like that? Give me that broom.
I'm using it.
Is it your broom? I know a thief. Is that broom your broom? Come on with me. Is it your broom? Is it your mother's broom? Respect a small size. Azuka! Warn yourself!
It's my father's broom. Our father's broom.
Who is
Give
your
it
father?
to yes.
You're a bastard. You don't have a father. You are a thief, yes! You are a thief! Hola!
Papa!
Give that broom back to Azuka.
Yes!
And leave here immediately.
Give me the broom. Papa, she doesn't want to give me the broom, oh. If you go. Give me!
Papa! Leave.
Mama!
Papa,
Nine, what you did earlier today, I did not like it at all.
What is it that I did you don't like?
It's still about the broom issue. You did not even ask who owns the broom before you went ahead to hand it to Azoka. Eh?
Is that all? Huh?
That broom belongs to me and I need it. Now.
Dugo, you should understand that every property in this house belongs to me. And I decide where each goes.
Hey!
Well, Adugo, let me ask you. Why can't you let Ola and her daughter have peace in this house?
What's it?
Eh?
Hey! Now wait. Is that all you have to say? Is this all you have to say? Then no problem. I will make sure that none of you finds peace in this house.
Eh?
You've not seen anything.
Adugo, come here.
Go back.
I will kill you today. You will die in my house today. So you came to my house to bewitch my husband of prayer. Stand up! Stand up, wait. Yes, you came into my home to bewitch my husband of prayer. I will kill you today.
Adugo, leave her alone. What is wrong? Why are you talking to your co-wife in such manner? Eh? Apologize to her. Apologize to her immediately. Do you want me to send you back to your parents? I don't want this to happen again.
Good morning, Mama. You're up already.
My son, yes. Sit down, we need to talk.
Mama, what is the problem? By the way, why is your face gloomy? You don't look bright.
You are making me unhappy.
Because how can I be the one to make my mother unhappy? Mama, what is wrong?
You refuse to do anything about getting married.
Is that the reason you're this moody? Mama, brighten up your face. I already have a plan. In fact, I have plans on how to find a wife.
Are you sure?
Yes.
And you kept me in the dark. Why haven't you told me all this while?
Well, I decided not to tell you all this while because I wanted it to be a surprise.
Now tell me, what is on your mind?
In my mind is heart, blood.
Mama.
Hey. fine. I'm fine. Is there any problem?
What troubles you?
Nothing, my daughter. I'm just enjoying the cool breeze out here.
Cool breeze outside.
Yes.
Just that.
Where have you been? I did for you.
Inside. Mama, let's go inside.
Okay. Okay.
Who is there? Adugo. Olako. Azuka.
Papa, so you rest inside, huh? Papa. Papa. Papa.
Where do you think you are going? Eh? Where do you think you are going? You want to go and dine and wine with my enemies? Eh? Then I will kill you with my bare hands. Come and stay here and let them cry. Let them cry and yell. Nonsense. Idiots. How?
Please, please, wake up, just wake up, oh? Just wake up. Please, Papa. Just stay with us.
Wait. My good friend, I called you here because I want you to give me advice.
My future king, I am all ears. Speak to me.
Alright, see, I want to get for myself a wife. I want a woman who I will call my queen. Somebody who will love me and I will love in return. Please, I want you to profile. In fact, if there's any way you can help me, please let me know.
My prince.
No. I just told you my problem. All you could do is laugh.
My prince, is that all your problem?
I want to understand where this smile is coming from. I told you what I need and what is bothering me. All you could do is laugh over it.
My prince, let me take one caller first.
I don't understand you. Somebody will be telling you how it is with him and you're laughing over it.
My prince, I have already made arrangement for that. So you don't need to worry yourself about anything. So just relax. The plan, everything will be put in place.
Wait. Did you just say that you've made a plan for it?
Sure.
This is amazing. Let me not base my facts on assumption. Let me understand you clearly. Did you say you've made plans already?
Sure, my prince.
I'm so happy. Do you know I have been killing myself, bothering myself over this issue, not knowing that my good friend had already made plans. You did those plans as if you knew what I had in mind. This is wonderful. My very good friend.
My prince.
How many cola did you pick?
My prince, take one.
Pick another one.
Thank you, my prince.
Pick another one.
Let me get it, my prince. My prince.
And do you know I have been killing myself? I never knew that my best friend already had a plan for me.
My prince, fantastic. We have.
Hey, Mama! Mama, Azuka and her mother are on our land farming.
Is Azuka?
Oh.
Who is Azuka?
Azuka.
Doing what on my own land?
My father's land, though.
My land?
Your father's land.
I will deal with her.
Yes.
I will deal with her. That imbecile.
Yes.
Is she mad? Has she gone mad?
Yes.
Look at, what did I do to Adugo that will beat me like this? I didn't go to her land. I only went to my husband's land, the one he gave me. And look at the way she beat me. Look at what she did to me. Sorry. And look at, she almost broke my... Don't touch it. She almost broke my arm. Look at it. Sorry. Come, let's put hot water on it.
That they are treating us like this.
I don't know.
Mama, please let me go and help them. Have you gone crazy? You want to go and help me? Whoa! Oh, you want what is happening to her to affect you? Why can't you grow up, my daughter? Grow up! If you don't have sense, go and borrow one. Or you just close your mouth and get inside.
Why all this?
People of Umudiana, the prince has asked me to inform the most beautiful maiden of Umudiana to assemble at the palace with their best food. And he also said that whose food gladden his heart, that maiden he shall take as his wife, as his queen.
What is it?
brought good news from the palace.
Good news from the palace.
One. The prince is searching for a wife.
The prince? Looking for a wife?
Exactly. Did that cry just said there's going to be a cooking competition for all the beautiful maidens? Yes. Whoever wins the contest automatically becomes the queen.
Wando, did you just say beautiful maiden?
Yes, maidens.
The prince looking for a beautiful maiden. What did you just say? Like beautiful maiden. I am only. I am beautiful, confident, elegant. Of course, confident. Cooking. Wando. That's my hobby. Wando. There is no competition. I don't get it.
Allah the Oled.
You know.
I know you are beautiful.
Wow.
The elegant Allah.
Please.
I trust you.
I'm talking you're my friend.
Zuka, what are you going to do about what the prince said?
The prince? I don't understand.
The contest, of course. Won't you participate?
I don't think so. Besides, preparing food for the royal household is going to cost us a lot of money. I know we don't have that kind of money.
Anyway, I would have loved to help. But you know it's a competition, so right now my hands are tied.
My dear friend, I appreciate. Thank you very much. But my dear, I'm not interested. Yes, I'm not. Don't worry about me, I'll be fine.
No problem.
Okay.
Somebody. You eat that.
I'm
trying to tell you.
I want you. By the time the prince is all like, what are we talking about here? Listen, my friends. I'm going to make sure that when the prince sees me, everything is going to be about Ola, Ola, Ola. Of course, there is no competition. All the beautiful maidens in this land are here in one. Just one. Tell me any maiden in this land that can compete with this beauty. Oh. Is it her elegance? Oh. Her comportment? Her height? Or the skin color? Tell me. My friend is the chosen one. Wando, my friend. I am Oled. Our mother's daughter. Oled.
Everything will be fine, oh? Yes. No, mother. No worry. You know we don't have money to cook for the royal house. It's better we stay home than going there to embarrass ourselves. It's okay. Yeah.
We will not embarrass ourselves. Oh? Thank you for understanding.
Thank you. No problem, mother. The first thing you do is make me more happy.
Thank you.
My daughter, you would make them to know that you are the best cook in this land and the fairest maiden in the whole land.
Mama, I am confident that the prince is going to choose me.
I know that. I know the daughter I gave birth. Yeah. The materials and see which of them you wear that day.
No, I'm looking at this one.
To me, I think this will bring out your beauty. It's colorful.
Mama.
Azuka.
Who are you and how do you know my name?
Never mind. I have come to give you something great beyond your wildest imagination.
Something great?
Yes.
Sorry, you can't collect something from a stranger. No.
You will love it if you see it. Okay?
And what would that be?
Don't be afraid. The one you pick out of the fruits, that means your greatness. Okay? Come on. Come on, pick one.
Look, there is something I've been meaning to ask you. You know, it has been bothering me, honestly speaking.
My prince. What could that be?
What if after the contest I did not find a girl worthy of being my queen? What will I do?
My prince, I don't think that will be possible. But if it turns out that you don't see any maiden of your choice in this kingdom, we will extend the contest to our neighboring village.
That is it. This is awesome. In fact, you've just eased my pains. Do you know, the very first day I chose you as a friend, I knew that there was something great in you that made me choose you. As a matter of fact, as it is, thank you very much. You have just eased my tension. Honestly speaking. For doing this, I am going to invite the Kawanta to bring us a powerful wine. In fact, I will give it to you. Drink yourself to anyhow you want to do it.
What has gotten into you? Why would you accept something like this from a total stranger? What if this rotten fruit was to harm you? No. I must return it back to the owner. Yes, I'm going back.
Old man. I'm no more interested in what he has to offer. I'm dropping it here. If you don't want to come and collect it, anytime you come, you'll see.
My daughter.
Mother.
What took you so long? It's not like you.
I was tired. Along the line, I decided to rest.
In the bush?
Mm-hmm.
You should have come home first.
Sorry.
Go and drop the water. Oh? Okay, go. My daughter, you still have not told me how you come across all those fruits.
Mother, on my way to the stream, I met a strange man who gave me 2 fruits. One good one and one spoilt one. And I decided to collect the spoilt one because I don't want to do anything with it. And I left.
I've always known it. The gods have not abandoned us. They are always with us.
The gods? How? Are you telling me I met the gods?
I think so. And you being a good girl. You weren't greedy. You went for the rotten one. Yes. That shows I raised you well. I am working.
How? How did it happen?
I just take one orange amongst those fruits because I was thirsty. As soon as I ate it, this is what I saw. I am well now.
Just like that?
Yes.
And your legs are not paining you? Is it paining you?
I can move it. I can jump. You can see I'm jumping. I can dance.
The most beautiful maiden in this land. I was looking for extra ornaments to add on you, but I think you are looking just okay.
Perfect.
And today, my beautiful daughter Ola will win the heart of the prince.
You say?
And we're going to become the next queen of this land.
Ah, Mama.
There's nothing anybody will do about it.
Yeah.
You're well
Mama, let me start going. I don't want to be late.
I want you to look perfect. My princess. Go. in that food. Poison! Poison! She's a witch! She's a witch! There's poison in this food. Poison!
Why didn't you put poison in it? You can put poison. I bring.
She's a witch! She's a witch! Yes! Our mother's a witch! She's a witch! They are witches! Witches! Witch! She's a witch! Our mother's a witch! She's a witch! Yes! You see? Yeah. She's a witch! She's a... My prince, she's a witch! Don't throw it away! Throw it away! Don't eat that food! Throw it away! She's a witch! I seen it! She's a witch! They are all witches! 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 My prince, I'm Ini Edo. My prince!
Silence! Silence! What is all this witch and witches and what have you? Please, take this maiden away. Take her away from the palace. Leave the palace!
No. Leave here. My prince, wait.
Leave my palace!
My prince! My prince! Don't push her. Don't push my precious daughter.
What is it? Why are you pushing my daughter?
Now listen carefully. On the order of the prince, your daughter is not to be seen anywhere near the palace until he makes his choice.
Why? Who said so?
For what? Why would she not be seen? Why would she not be seen? Eh? Mama, precious one like that. Nonsense. Mama.
Mama, what are we going to do? What are we going to do now? You don't have any problem. You must become the queen of this land.
I must marry the prince.
My dead body will you not marry the prince? Why? Where's the food you took to him? He ate your food and pushed you out. Eh?
Mama must marry the prince.
You will marry the prince. You are the queen of this land already. Princess Ola, Queen Ola, you are all of them. Are you not the most beautiful girl in this land?
I don't know, Mama. I want to be queen of this.
Hey, hold on one. Maybe you went there and forgot who you are. Eh? Hey, it's okay. Let's go inside so that you will tell me exactly what happened. Let me know what happened.
Mama, I must be the queen of this land.
I know, you must. Queen Ola.
Queen Ola.
Let's go.
I will go and prepare you again. Come on, the creator, I'll put more ornaments on you.
Mama, Queen Ola.
Queen Ola. That's your name. I'll put more ornaments. Eh? I'll put Queen Ola.
Mazi Udemba, you are here.
My prince.
Sit. Oh, thank you.
My prince. Dubai is na Emengwenwa. And I got that shit.
Of course, I know that.
Thank you. My prince, I have come to know if you have seen a maiden you want to get married to.
Well, good question. As a matter of fact, my eyes are still on the ground, still searching. The moment I find a good one, a nice maiden, I shall present her to you and the rest of the chiefs.
Thank you, my prince. Thank you.
By the way, you came to the palace and you must be attended to. I have some fresh palm wine, that was brought to me this morning.
Really?
So let me get it for you to drink. Guards!
Hey, Papa. Is it that you wanted to discuss with me?
My daughter, it seems the prince has taken a liking to one of your friends.
One of my friends?
Yes.
Which of them?
Azuka.
Azuka?
Yes.
It's not possible.
No, no, no.
As I'm talking to you now, it looks as if they're already married. Just what remains is just to go and give the parents the reference.
Azuka.
Yes.
Hey.
Mama? Mama?
My son. You're not looking happy. Hope everything is so.
Mama, everything is not okay. I need to find that maiden that ran away. I am sure she did something to me, something that I cannot define. Because ever since she ran away, Mama, I have not been myself. I need to find that maiden and know what she did to me exactly.
Even in this way?
Mama, rain does not matter. What matters most is to find this maiden and know what she did to me. That's what matters.
Please, let cold not catch him out. Eh? Uloma, you sent for me. What is it?
Yes. Should have come to your house, but I don't want people to see me around. Ola, guess what? I'm having this feeling that your sister is going to be the next queen of our land.
Shut up! Shut your mouth! May the gods forbid what you just said. Azuka. I just hope, I sincerely hope, you don't mean what you're saying. How am I going to stop all this?
Ola, don't worry. Let me tell you something.
Azuka. Azuka, my sister. You're looking so beautiful.
That's why you're praising me like you that don't like me.
Oh, that's not true. I like you. You're my sister.
You.
Okay, I'm sorry. Whatever I've done to you, please forgive me. I'm sorry.
We are sisters.
Yes, you're my sister.
One blood.
Ha, Azuka, if you see that day you came for the competition, you see how you are looking, so beautiful. All your clothes, your beads, everything. Ha, I was like, oh, my sister is so beautiful.
Oh, you were calling me witch.
No, I was just angry. I'm sorry. Okay. You're my sister, you know. Hey, Azuka, all those things you were wearing that day, how did you get them? Did you steal them?
No. You know, I can't steal now.
Hey,
It's not our family blood. No. It's one old man that offered me fruit and asked me to choose. I chose one, and when I came back home, I saw a lot of gifts, beautiful things, lovely things, including the food.
Hey, yes, just like that.
Just like that.
Huh. Yeah. Hey, my sister. This man, where is he?
Along the stream now. The moment you enter, just go a little bit small.
Hey, you're my sister.
Yes.
You are so beautiful.
Thank God we have settled. We are one blood.
Mm-hmm.
Same father.
Our father. Our father.
Yes. Stop. You see, it's okay. One family.
Hey.
So, how is everything?
Come, let's go.
Mama, what is chasing you? Nobody's chasing me, but somebody's chasing you.
How? What do you mean?
The prince has declared you wanted.
Prince, what did I do?
His guards are on their way to your house.
Hey. Mother! Yes, look again. Where are you?
What is it?
Let's go. You have to where? The prince is after us.
What did you do to him? The prince has sent guards to look for Azuka. She has been declared wanted, dead or alive. Let me pack your things. Let's go pack your things. Let's go.
I know you are looking for me. I'm here. What do you want from me?
The fruit.
The
The
fruit.
magic fruit.
Ah, okay. You will get it.
That's the limit I can escort you to. Hey, I have to go back.
Thank you. May the gods bless you. Oh, may you find favor on your side.
Thank you, Mama. May the gods protect you. Amen. May the evil spirit in the forest kill you too. Nonsense.
Is anyone home? Who is there?
Nteje, go behind the house and see if you can see anybody. Hold up. Enter inside and check. Check properly. Check very, very well.
Prince, I couldn't find anyone.
You couldn't find anyone. What about
Prince? There's nobody in there.
There's nobody in there.
Prince, judging from this footprint, I think they left in a haste. Look at it. Look, my Prince.
Let's go quickly.
My pride. Do you know that if you eat this guava with me, we will be so blessed in riches, everything wonderful. Really? Yes. You are telling me that if I eat this guava with you, that I will glow. I will begin to glow.
Of course.
And the best photos will come for you.
Yes.
I will look more beautiful than this witch. And you, my daughter, radiating in beauty and in riches. And you have the best tutors. Eh?
Yes, my mother.
Eat and give me to eat. Eat and give me to eat. So this is the thing that will make me to glow and radiate and become prosperous. Eat.
Azuka! Azuka! No, stop, please, don't run. No, stand. Please, I have not come to harm you. I've not come to hurt you, okay? See, you see, they say that whatever thing the chicken looks for under the rain is very, very important. I have looked for you everywhere. I have searched everywhere for you. Whatever thing that made me come under the rain to look for you, that means I have not come to hurt you. Please, Azuka, I have a proposal to make. I have a plea to tender. And that is to ask you if you I have a plea to tender. Please, however it comes, don't see it the way it is or the way it is not. Azuka, please. You. Alright, Azuka, please. Will you be my wife?
Me, Azuka. Marry you.
My brains, my brains.
Alright, we will not stand further under this rain. Let us go home and discuss the rest of the things.